Hey guys, so it is Monday, August 7th, 2023, and I just wanted to do a really quick update and let you guys know that my weight has gone up. Sorry, my son just shot a Nerf gun bullet at me. As you could see that flying by, and he's playing with his Nerf gun. Anyway, yeah, so my weight, I went from about 98 pounds to now I'm up to 102.2 as of today. So my weight is definitely going up, and my goal is 125 pounds. So I'm hoping that I get there in the very near future. But I just reported to my workers that it's up to 102.2. So I'm very happy about that because this means I've made some progress, and I'm now eating 3 meals a day, or as much as I can. Dominic, you almost hit me in the eye with that. That is not okay.
Why?
You do not aim that at people's faces. Sorry about that. You just seen that fly at my eye. Hit me right here.